This is problem 32.43, and it says that you have an RLC circuit containing the following components, and you want to figure out all of this stuff. We're going to start off with A, the inductive reactance of the circuit. This equation here is going to be omega times L, but we're not given omega, we're given F, so it's going to be 2 times pi times F times L. So that's going to be 2 pi times 50 hertz times 0.25 henries, and that's 78.5 ohms. Now the capacitive reactance, similar thing, it's going to be 1 over 2 times pi times F times C, where C is 2 times 10 to the negative 6 farads, and that's going to give me 1590 ohms. Z, the impedance, is going to be this equation here, R squared plus XL minus XC squared. You can just go ahead and plug those numbers in and you should get something like 1520 ohms. And then D wants us to find the I max value. That's going to be delta V max, which we're given, divided by Z. So delta V max is 210 volts. Divide that by 1520 ohms and we get 0.138 amps. We now want to find phi, which is the phase angle between the current and source voltage, and that is going to be the inverse tan of XL minus XC divided by R, which again is just our resistance, and we have all these numbers. Plug everything in. We get 78.5 minus 1590 divided by 150, and that's negative 84.3 degrees. We now want to find the power factor. That's just going to be cosine of phi, which is cosine of negative 84.3 degrees, which gives us 0.0987. And then lastly, we're asked to figure out what the power input is to the circuit. So that's going to be P is equal to I RMS delta V RMS cosine of phi. There's a whole bunch of other equations you can use, but since we found cosine of phi, may as well use it. So it's going to be P is equal to, now what is I RMS? Well, that is going to be delta V divided by Z. So here, I should get my highlighter. I max is delta V max over Z. I RMS is delta V RMS divided by Z. So it's going to be delta V RMS squared divided by Z cosine of phi. Delta V RMS is just delta V max divided by the square root of 2. So delta V max, and we know what delta V max is, divided by, square root of 2. Squared that divided by Z times cosine of phi. We know what phi is. Well, we know what cosine of phi is. It's here. We know what delta V max is. It's here. And then we also know what Z is. Plug everything in, and you should get P is equal to 1.43 watts. And that is it.